Hi, my name is Nicholas Petrelli. I'm the machine shop manager at Allen Control Systems. It's very exciting to be working on products in-house that are developed in-house instead of just being a machinist that stands by a machine hitting a button all day. Your creativity, your input, and all that is valued. Anyway, we're looking for all kinds of machinists here, top to bottom. We're looking for young up-and-comers that are learning to get into CNC. We're also looking for the best machinists out there that we can find.
My name is Ken Cameron. I'm a machinist. I wanted to help kill drones, and I'm really excited to be making the parts that enable them to be shot down. Not having barriers between you successfully doing the work and the folks who are asking you to do the work, you take those barriers away, it just gets a lot easier, and you're able to give them feedback. You talk to the engineers directly or the designers themselves. It goes all the way up to the top of the company. I love it. It's really one of the best jobs I've ever had.